What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. I just arrived yesterday. The city is so beautiful. The view from my Airbnb is gorgeous. You can follow me on Instagram to check it out. I just went out this morning, bought a power adapter so I can plug in all my cords. Everything's good to go. I bought a skateboard so I can get around town. I just wanted to say thank you guys to all my subscribers for all the support. Thanks to you and thanks to crypto and the crypto gods. I've been able to travel. I've been able to put money in my mom's bank account. I come from a very, very poor family. We're on welfare. We spent many Thanksgiving dinners at the soup kitchen. So to be here now, I know like chill Jax, you don't even have like 30K subs, but to be growing on YouTube and to be able to help you guys and as well as be able to help myself and my family and be able to help my mom come out of poverty and stuff like that is pretty incredible. And I'm in Cape Town, which is super cool. So, all right, let's get into what's important here, which is the price analysis. So we're gonna go over Polygon. I was gone for 2 days and crypto has absolutely popped off. So we're gonna go over the technical analysis. Currently we're sitting at $1.15. The market cap is sitting at 7.39 billion. 24-hour volume has increased to 864 million. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up through my referral and receive $25 in crypto, one of my favorite apps for investing. So we're gonna pop into this technical analysis. So there's a massive, juicy pattern that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention on the daily. It's a massive bull flag and we've broken out. We're back above the EMAs. We're showing tremendous strength. And we're going to see continuation here on this bull run. So this is a massive trade opportunity. You can see we've started to break out, not financial advice, guys, but I have entered a position with Matic. I'll throw it up on the screen. Over on Bybit, and if you want to learn to trade with leverage and make some juicy gains, check out my full length tutorial and sign up right now. Bybit is offering $1,600 in sign up bonuses until August 18th. So make sure to sign up through my referral and check out the tutorial. Please have some experience with trading, as leverage trading is more risky. All right, guys. So this breakout is absolutely massive. The technical target is up here at $1.58. We're just starting to break out, and that's an absolutely juicy trade of 47%. And I've entered my trade with Matic with 4x leverage as we are breaking through so many key levels of resistance for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. So I've gone long on many coins, 4 or 5 different altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So we're gonna pop over to the 4-hour chart. I just wanted to make you guys aware of that absolutely massive juicy pattern, this bull flag here, and we're just starting to see that breakout. So we're gonna pop over to the 4-hour. So we did have our bearish divergence, guys, but it was just a little bit of sell-off. And as I mentioned before, sometimes these are invalidated, and you can see it was here. Now we are having another bull flag bull pennant here starting to form. So if you see us start to break out and back test it as support, and I'll give you our breakout target here, would bring you up to about $1.32, $1.33. We'll give it a little price target. So that could be another juicy trade opportunity. Now we are overextended with Ethereum, which we'll get into here. So here's a 4-hour chart as well for Matic. And I pulled my Fibonacci here from our swing high down to our swing low. And you can see we perfectly hit $1.15, and now we're testing it as resistance. If we get back above, it's the golden ratio. And you know what that means, guys. It gives you a high probability of making it back up to where you started at $1.71, and then the 1.272 extension, which is $2.23. If we are able to hold this level of support, of course, we have that major level right around $1.23, that massive level of support and resistance we've been covering here on the channel. That would be a very crucial level, guys. If we were to break above that, in my opinion, we'd be good to go on this bull run. In my opinion, we already are, because we've broken through key levels of resistance for Bitcoin and Ethereum. But this is such a key level at $1.23. We break through that. Woo-wee! We're off to the races. So I'm going to quickly pop open Ethereum. So we're here on the why am I on the 1 hour? I want to be on the daily. Sorry, guys. Just a little bit of patience. Hope you guys are well. Hope the pets are healthy. So you can see here, we've just absolutely broken out. Massive breakout. We came up and we smashed through 2955, which is the 1.618 extension. We've made it all the way up to our technical target at 3088 from this double bottom. So that was an absolutely massive trade opportunity of 29%. If you're trading with leverage, could be much more. Now we need to start seeing Ethereum's fall back and find a level of support because we're quite overextended, and the harder the pump, the steeper the correction. Look at the RSI on the daily, guys. We're completely overbought. If we find support on any of these levels, 2955, 2771, 2632, we would still be showing absolutely tremendous strength. I most likely think we would find support around 2955 or 2771 and allow the EMAs to catch back up. We've had the bullish cross. We've broken through this major level of resistance at 2955, which was the level of resistance of our ascending triangle here. It's a massive signal of strength, guys. We're looking so healthy. We do need to start seeing some pullback, guys. We need to see a little bit of correction here, find support on the EMAs, and set up for the next big pump. I posted on my Instagram, I posted this hilarious video. It's about Ethereum, and there's a song like, let's go pump it up. I can't really explain it. Just go check it out on my Instagram story. It's so funny. But we do need to come back and find support, 2955 or 2771. If we were to continue to pump here, I'll quickly drop in your next level of resistance. You can see here, there's no support and resistance in this area. So I think your next level where we would hit some resistance here for Ethereum would be at 3271. But honestly, I would like to see us come down a bit, come down to 2955 or even 2771, and allow the RSI to come back down into a healthy range and allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. But these are beautiful signals, guys. In my opinion, we're going to head back up to our all-time high and much more, and see the continuation we've all been waiting for 2 months on this bull run. So I'll give you some short-term price targets for Matic here based off the Fibonacci. So I'm going to go from this swing high right here down to our swing low to give you some short term. You can see we came up to the 1.272 extension. So we also have the 1.618. Now you may find some resistance right here as well at $1.23, that major level that we've been covering on the channel. And then your next level would be the 1.618, which is at about $1.28. So those will be your next levels of resistance. But if we do see Ethereum go through a little bit of a correction here, then we'll see a bit of correction with Matic. However, as you've noticed with coins like ADA and Polygon, even when Bitcoin and Ethereum correct, they don't correct as hard. They pump much harder than they correct, which shows the tremendous amount of strength for these types of projects. All right, guys. So that's basically it for this one. Your levels of support are, of course, that strong level at $1.02. If we do see a little bit of rollover here, we do have that very strong level at $1.02. But even if Ethereum corrects, Matic may not come down to that level. We could find support here. We may simply just come back down to around $1.11. I'll drop it in here. These previous swing highs could act as a level of support as Matic is just showing tremendous strength here. But we do also have that major level support at $1.02. And then your next levels of resistance here are here at $1.28. Of course, the $1.23 is the major one. And you have that massive breakout target up at $1.58 from our bull flag. So things are looking juicy. Just a quick little update here for Polygon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram if you want to stay up to date with my travels. You can follow me on Twitter. I'm not super active on Twitter. Better to join the Discord where we're posting chart patterns. We have over 1,000 members. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.